Okay, let's take a look at this object here. This is a circular disc of steel that I needed a certain pattern in, and I needed to cut 10 millimeter holes in it. And I needed the pattern to be a sunflower pattern. As you can see here, there it is, the sunflower pattern. But I needed it to be able to start at a certain point and then stop at a certain point. Then I needed to be able to type in, I wanted so many holes in that band. So that's what I needed to be able to do. Now I'd say in all CAD systems, if they don't have a special tool to allow you to do something, they have a programming language that allows you to do a little programming, and you can just about make any tool you like. And I was going to need to do the same for this, to get this pattern with a start and stop edge. The problem is I don't know how to program at all. So in Onshape, their little scripting tool is called Feature Script, and you could script things and make little tools. And somebody sent me a sample of a script that made a lot of patterns. Okay, these 6 different patterns. And right there is my sunflower pattern. Of course, it doesn't allow me to have a start inside diameter and a start outside diameter. But it was a good starting point. They sent it to me and they said, I did it a while ago. You know, it might not be the best programming, but you can start with that. So I appreciated the help, and I opened it up, and it's 510 lines of code to make all those 6 patterns. And one, I didn't need all them patterns. I just needed this one here. So I'm like, I'm never going to learn this. It's going to take me 6 months to figure out how to just do programming. So I heard people talking about how things like Grok can do programming. So I decided to take that 510 lines of code, right, and go over to my SuperGrok here and see if I could modify it. And these are the questions that I asked. I basically said, I need you to read the following program, this here, and then remove anything that is not related to the sunflower pattern or the Fibonacci pattern. And I only want to make a sunflower pattern. Make the program lean, as there might be some sloppiness. 3, fix any other errors you see. And the other prompt I asked was this. I need to have the ability to set an inside diameter and an outside diameter as the limits of the sunflower pattern. Then I need to be able to set the count of how many of those patterns fall within those inside and outside limits. Can you add those features in? And it did. It took all this 510 lines of code, and it gave me 119. Then I took that 119 lines of code, I brought it all the way back to my Onshape model there, and I ran it, and bam, it gave me exactly what I wanted, all within, I'd say, about an hour. Now let's think about that for a minute. Think about what just happened. How would I have done this in the past? Well, since right now I'm doing it for fun, as a hobby, it's not like I'm going to go out and hire somebody to write code for me. So I would have to find somebody that I know that owes me a favor, and maybe they would write some code for me, get back to me within a couple weeks. Instead, this was all done, like I said, within an hour. So this is taking an average person and supercharging them. I mean, this is absolutely crazy.